Come on in. I got a Dollar Tree haul. Okay, listen. This is for all of my planner folks, my journal folks, far and near. Go to your local Dollar Tree. It's a new month coming. Spring is coming. And you know you need a new journal, right? I need any, I take any excuse to go get me some stationery because I love to write. And so I picked up three, and I just wanted to show you what I got and what's at my local Dollar Tree. And let me know if you tried any of these planners, if you like these planners, what have you. And if you are a stationary person like myself, let me know in the comments and we can share some notes. Okay? All right. So the first one is this beautiful, beautiful flowered print cover journal. It's 60 pages. The size is 5 by 7. And I love the new style of this journal because when you journal, you taking it with you, you plop it in your bag and your book bag or what have you. You need something durable. And so I love it that it had the plastic cover and it's lined paper in this one. The next one I love because it's textured and it's plastic. It's a plastic cover. It's plastic. And so it just gave me a retro look. I'm using this one now in my purse just for tasks, grocery lists, what have you, just something to throw around, and it's durable. And this as well has lined paper. And did I mention it's 60 sheets, 5 by 7 as well. This last one, I love this. This gives you classy. This gives you elegant. This could be for a guy. You know, it doesn't have to always be girls that journal and stuff like that. Men journal as well and take notes. This will be great as a gift for that man in your life. Or if you're a woman and just want something more sleek, more professional looking. And so this is just one of the three that I bought. The other two had two was this color and one was blue. One had the word, this one had simplify, the other one had notes, and the other one had plans. Okay. And so I like this because the paper is blank and it has this type of color and it's a little thicker as well. So this will also work if you are a junk journaler and you want to put stickers in there. I've already put stickers in there and it didn't even bubble up. You know how sometimes the paper's so thin it messed up the other side. It didn't. This was a gel pen and it didn't bleed through at all. And so this is good quality paper. And like I said, it's good for junk journaling, regular journaling, anything you want to do because there's no lines. And so you can make it your own. All right. So y'all be blessed. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Follow me on this platform. And I will see you in my next Dollar Tree haul. Don't